Hello, Tony Perks here with a brief introduction to the PRINCE2 Agile version 2 certification aimed at people thinking about signing on to achieve the certification, or also for people who've already signed on would like a little bit more information at the outset. So, the course. What will the course do? Well, it'll provide a clear understanding of the latest version of PRINCE2 Agile. And PRINCE2 Agile version 2 combines the flexibility and responsiveness of Agile working with a clearly defined PRINCE2 project management method. So it's aimed at getting the best of both worlds, being able to work in an Agile way within the overall control and governance of the PRINCE2 method. The course will also enable professionals to deliver Agile projects by tailoring PRINCE2. Tailoring the PRINCE2 using Agile techniques. And the third objective is we will prepare delegates to sit the PRINCE2 examinations, the PRINCE2 Agile examinations. However, you don't sit the examinations within the course. You can schedule these to suit yourself. You can schedule these at a time to suit yourself beyond the course. So if you have a learning style which takes a little bit more reflective and you want to take a little more time, that's fine. No pressure during the course as such. So, course duration, 5 days. Split essentially into 2 modules. Days 1 to 3 are foundation, building up to the foundation exam. Days 4 and 5 are the practitioner module, focusing very much on applying PRINCE2 Agile and also preparing you for the practitioner exam. Again, just to make the point, you can schedule your examination to suit yourself to follow the course. We will issue vouchers and you can redeem them, and you can then schedule the course to suit yourself. It is important that you redeem the foundation voucher before the course starts, because what this does is open up the full PeopleCert training materials. So redeem the voucher that we send you. Don't have to schedule your exam, but this opens up the full training materials, including the manual that I just showed you. So that's what you need to do. But in advance of that, we will send you some pre-course preparation materials which will help you build up to the course. But this is important. This opens up the manual to you. Examinations. Well, as already stressed, taken online with the examination board. The examination institute is called PeopleCert. Yeah? PeopleCert. And you will sit the examination with them at a time to suit yourself following the course and within the expiry date of your voucher. There are 2 examinations. The foundation exam is fairly straightforward, multiple choice examination of 1 hour. 1 hour. There are 40 questions and you have to get 60% to pass. So 24 out of 40 is what you're aiming for that one. This one doesn't allow you to use any reference material. That's a test of knowledge rather than of competency. The second exam is more about interpretation, applying the advice in the manual. So this is a longer exam. This is 2 hours. 2 hours. It's still multiple choice, but it's a tad more complex because it'll be based on a scenario, a case study, and you will need to be able to apply the advice in the manual. Therefore, you can use the manual in this examination. So it's a question of knowing how to use the manual based on your understanding of PRINCE2 Agile. This one has 50 questions and it's only a 50% pass mark. So 30 out of 60, my apologies, 30 out of 60. So hopefully that was useful, just a very brief introduction. If you haven't signed on yet, that might give you a little bit more information to help you decide whether you want to. And if you do sign up, well, we'll look forward to seeing you on our course.